In this video we are going to see basic text formatting option. If you want to zoom your document, Control 1 to 100% zoom, Control 2 to 200% or Control 4 to 400% zoom. If you press Control 0, come back to normal. Now I want to zoom 200%, so I press Control 2 in keyboard and I select text tool and select some text here and click this A button to change paragraph formatting to text formatting option. Here you can change the font. If you place the mouse cursor over it, instantly you can see the preview. These are the font family. Click this little arrow icon. You can get regular, italic, bold font style, and here you can increase the font size and you can set all caps, superscript and underline. This is small cap, this is subscript, and you can change the font color. This is font fill color. If you get this highlighted warning, click this paragraph style and click A plus icon. Now the highlighted warnings are gone. Now I want to zoom 200%, so Control 2 to 200%. Then I select this text, and also you can change the font by the type menu. Go to type menu and font. Here you can see all of the fonts already installed in your computer. The top category is recently used fonts. Here you can change the font color, and this is stroke color. Thank you for watching. I will meet you in the next lesson.